Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, May 15th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. As of right now, there's no homework in math. However, if you did not finish up your mini graphing lesson that we've been doing for the last 4 days, as well as had Warrior time for it, you do need to complete that. Science. Your Malabar money is due on Friday. Also, if you have not yet brought in your parent's signature sheet for you to sign off on the safety lab rules that you will not be doing next week's lab. And social studies, there is no homework. However, tomorrow is the travel fair. All right, so make sure that you are prepared for that with your group. Language arts, there is no homework. Literature, there is no homework. Outside of all AR points are due in just 2 days on Friday, May 17th. Remember, we are going to Marshall Park tomorrow afternoon, weather depending. Hopefully the forecast stays as the way it is projected to be, and you may bring different sporting equipment and things along to play with outside. That is it for this Wednesday. Enjoy the beautiful weather, and we'll see you tomorrow.